Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a real quick and easy recipe. It's going to be my cheeseburger sausage rolls. These are really easy to do and very, very quick. Okay, first thing I've got is a packet of beef sausages. I've just bought those from my local supermarket. You can buy them from the butcher. You can even make them yourself. But I'm just going to cut these sort of in half. Not all the way through. I'm just going to put a nice big cut halfway through from top to bottom. Like store-bought puff pastry, you can make your own of course, but look, this is just a real quick and easy one. A little bit of American style mustard, put that straight on your pastry just like that. That's going to give us that beautiful mustardy flavour. Just spread that out just nice and thin. We don't need a huge amount of that. Okay, so far so good. Now we're going to put our sausages down, enough to fill the pastry from end to end, and we're going to open the sausage up where we've just made that cut. Alright, just really nice and simple. So this is going to take about 1.5 sausages per sheet of pastry. I'm going to put a little bit of tomato powder down. Okay, I'll give you a tip. Just buy powdered tomato soup mix, works perfect. Okay, you can get proper tomato powder, but that other stuff just works. Little bit of sliced dill pickle, put that in on top as well. We are going after a sort of McDonald's type flavour for this dish, and I'm going to put in some good tasty cheese. I'm not going to use the American style cheese. I want some real flavour. Right, all we have to do now is carefully roll these up just like I'm doing there, and try and close those sausages over the cheese and pickle as you go. Right, just roll that through until we get a little bit of an overlap of around about 1 centimetre ish. Okay, and all we have to do now is slice that pastry off just like I'm about to do there, just like that. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to put these on a tray on the side there while we create the rest of our beautiful cheeseburger sausage rolls. Alright, if you need to overlap your pastry a little bit, you can do that to extend the amount that we're using. Right, so just keep going through with all of those. Very quick, very simple to do. Give them a quick wipe down. Give each sausage roll a couple of little dabs with a knife. Just put a few little air holes there. It's going to let the steam out and keep that pastry really nice and flaky and fluffy. Alright, and a quick bit of egg wash, just an egg with a dash of water, beaten up of course, and we're just going to put that over the top, and it's going to make these go really nice and golden brown. Alright, and if you haven't had your sausage rolls before, you haven't tried making your own sausage rolls before, it is so easy to do. But a few little sesame seeds over the top, just for presentation, and they do taste good. And we are pretty much ready to go. Basically put these into the oven around about 20 to 25 minutes. That is all they are going to take to cook. Alright, and when they come out, just cut them in half or thirds, however you want, and there you go. You've got KP's cheeseburger sausage rolls. How easy was that to do? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. But leave a comment, I love reading and I love responding to them all. Okay, in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a quick party food like this, or even just something really different for a weeknight's meal, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my cheeseburger sausage rolls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.